Alright, so let's see how this Honda operates under mild conditions. The vehicle comes in. Say you had to diagnose this vehicle because they complained a month ago when it was hot that they had poor cooling performance. But now they come, fall is coming, the temperatures in your area is dropping, and now you have to diagnose it. Well, this is a new condenser, and I just filled it up. There's no sun load. It's been sitting out here overnight. It's only, what is the temperature outside? We are at 65 degrees. It's only 65 degrees outside. So you got no ambient load, you got no sun load, and you got a system operating. And let's see, this is YF134. So our high side pressure is only 81 psi. Low side, you can see our superheater and our subcooling right now. You can see our suction line temperature. Oh my God, that suction line temperature is over 60 degrees. There's our liquid line temperature. And let's take a look at the temperature out of the dash. 56 degrees. Oh, 56 degrees, where I have one of these sensors sticking down the dash. 56 degrees. And you go, man, 56 degrees duck dash temperature, that sucks. Well, remember, computers control these cars. Variable displacement. Computers control air damps and heaters and everything. So there's no reason for you to have 39 degree air blowing out of the vent over your knuckles, making you uncomfortable. Plus, that would make it a higher compression ratio, what consumes more energy, more fuel, giving you a lower fuel mileage. So it's a combination of things of trying to be more fuel, and it's more comfort because you don't need 39 degree blowing in your air cabin on you right now. You have no sun on you. The sun load sensor has nothing. The ambient air temperature sensor right here, there's no load on it. There's no heat outside. So it's not needed to have 39 degrees. What we got right there is 56 degrees because there's no sun load. So if you were trying to diagnose and the customer is saying, oh, my system was not working good last month when it was hot, but he comes into your shop right now and it's only 60 some degrees, and for the next week you look at your forecast and you're not going to exceed 68 degrees, it'll be your hottest day. It does make it difficult to diagnose other problems sometimes under these circumstances. I live in San Francisco and I got to deal with that probably about 7 or 8 months out of the year. And cold weather diagnostics is a specialty. There's so many guys going out there, you can't diagnose in cold weather. Well, I'm forced to diagnose cold weather air conditioning operation systems in 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 60 degrees, majority of my whole entire year because I live in San Francisco, California. And unlike some of you guys in Texas, Louisiana, New York, and Utah, Arizona, we go from heavy humid to extreme dries, but we're talking about guys who are in 90 degrees up to 120 degrees. This is the other end of the spectrum in air conditioning, trying to diagnose things and not understanding why you have such high duct temperature. It's not that there's something wrong, oh, the expansion valve is stuck open. Well, you go, well, oh, my high side is really low, my low side is high, got no cooling, my suction line is 62 degrees coming out of my suction line. Oh, bad expansion valve, oh, low on refrigerant, all these different things. And I've seen guys change compressors, expansion valves, and just start shooting for stuff. Why? They're trying to diagnose in cool weather operation. They have no other choice because the customer comes in a month or two later when the season has cooled and now decides to get their air conditioning fixed. All right, guys, I'll see you later. All right.